I should maybe record these.
Someone soak this?
I think everyone can soak, by the way. It's does like nothing.
One more in the middle.
Yeah, but it knocks back, so people, if you don't lose damage, it's...
Actually, it's
you
a
know.
double. It's double.
Crisscross.
Cha-cha, bro, it's me.
Okay, one more Coalescent Blood. I think this is the last one that we'll get. So kill it fast, please. Okay, we're gonna Bloodlust here, nuke the ad.
Keeping away to the side.
Yeah, nuke the ad first.
I'll take the first fill.
Blood coming in
Only
to
you.
the left side of the boss.
Do you want me to take the first?
No, I'll take the first. But you have to take the balls as soon as I have it.
Yeah,
So
obviously.
use, Zen.
Dodge, dodge.
Balls a bit. Gas
Spread
sacrifice.
with these.
Granny's there.
Plasma discharge.
Take the next as well, Phil.
We have a CR now.
And 3.
Let me
yes.
take the next then. Let me take the next one just to try
Move
something
to
else.
the edges, please. To the edges.
Stop running away, you bitch! Ah!
We're gonna have waves and the blood coming up. So get ready to move to the edges, please. Dodge these if possible. And blood
Shot over.
coming up and spread.
Hymnal's there.
Nice.
That needs a lot of globals to set up. Fuck me.
Dodge this.
Dave, use your totem. Granny, please, Phil.
Blood coming up. Get ready to move.
I'm not gonna survive the next, by the way.
Can I get a
Just
CR ready?
I got
We don't have CRs.
We don't have us here.
Okay, well, it's okay.
Everyone soak with
Boss
you?
will be dead. Boss will be dead. Fine, let him die.
Everyone
else just let
that
me die.
can just soak within.
No, just let me die. It's fine.
Yeah, boss is dead by then. So.
Don't need a
Thanks,
second take.
Shadow.
The boss is dead, mate.
Mate, please, I saw you.
Boss
Look,
is
I'm
dead.
already looting him. Come on.
Mate, please, I saw you.
Oh
Music
my
game.
fucking god, thank you, game. 395 indestructible.
Do you
Sweet.
need...
Oh, wow.
Finally